Welcome to Pro Roofing Brisbane Northside, your trusted partner for all your roofing needs. We offer a wide range of services including roof installations, repairs and maintenance. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to delivering high-quality workmanship. We use only the best materials to ensure your roof stands the test of time. Whether you need a new roof or repairs on an existing one, we've got you covered. We specialize in various roofing types including metal, tiles and flat roofs. Our commitment to customer satisfaction sets us apart from the competition. Get your free quote today and let us help you with your roofing project. With Pro Roofing, you can expect reliability, efficiency and exceptional results. We understand the importance of a secure roof over your head. Don't wait until it's too late, contact us for timely repairs and maintenance. Our friendly team is here to answer all your roofing questions. Experience the difference with Pro Roofing Brisbane Northside. Your roof is our priority, we promise to treat it like our own. Join countless satisfied customers who trust us for their roofing needs.